dominate the cloud market in China and continue expanding globally with more than 31 regions and over 100 availability zones. This means wherever your customers are located, you're covered. What truly makes Alibaba Cloud special is that they built their own cloud operating system called Apsara, and they offer everything you need: IaaS, infrastructure as a service; PaaS, platform as a service; DBaaS, database as a service; SaaS, software as a service; and the latest MaaS, model as a service, for all your AI needs. They are particularly strong in AI capabilities, including the open-source Qwen LLM family, big data tools, hybrid cloud deployments, and edge computing solutions. Key advantages and why you'll love it. Global scale and high performance. Their infrastructure is massive and optimized to handle extremely high-traffic scenarios. If you're worried about your website crashing during major sales events or viral moments, don't be. Alibaba Cloud is built to handle it. Strong focus on AI and artificial intelligence. This is where Alibaba Cloud truly shines. They offer full-stack AI services for training, fine-tuning, inference, and intelligent agent development. Their Model Studio platform and Qwen models are industry-leading and globally recognized in generative AI and model-as-a-service offerings. Security and compliance. You can sleep peacefully at night. Alibaba Cloud provides comprehensive tools for DDoS protection, encryption, identity management, and compliance with both Chinese and international regulations. Your data is in safe hands. Cost efficiency and flexibility. Looking to save money? Alibaba Cloud offers pay-as-you-go pricing, reserved instances for long-term savings, free trials to get started, and intelligent storage optimization tools. Developer-friendly developers love Alibaba Cloud. It offers powerful APIs, comprehensive SDKs, robust CLI tools, Aliyun, a feature-rich marketplace, extensive documentation, and training through Alibaba Cloud Academy. You won't feel lost. Hybrid and edge computing. Need to connect your on-premises infrastructure to the cloud? Cloudbox brings cloud capabilities directly into your office, while edge nodes and hybrid networking provide seamless integration. Ecosystem integration. As part of Alibaba Group, Alibaba Cloud integrates deeply with retail, finance, and logistics platforms. Additionally, it has a thriving third-party marketplace ecosystem. Services overview, complete list. Alibaba Cloud offers more than 80 products across multiple categories. Computing, IaaS and serverless. Elastic Compute Service, ECS, virtual servers with auto-scaling capabilities. Elastic GPU service/heterogeneous computing, ideal for AI and ML workloads. ECS bare metal instances, EBM, dedicated physical servers for maximum performance. Elastic Container Instance, ECI, serverless containers. Simple Application Server, SAS, simplified all-in-one hosting. Function Compute, FC, serverless code execution. Serverless App Engine, SAE, managed PaaS for applications. Auto-scaling, automatic resource scaling. Dedicated host, reserved physical servers. Cloudbox Hybrid, cloud infrastructure deployed on-premises. Edge Node Service, ENS, Edge Computing Resources, Elastic High Performance Computing, EHPC, Scientific and Engineering Computing Workloads. Alibaba Cloud Linux OS, Optimized Linux Operating System. Container Services, Container Service for Kubernetes, ACK, Managed Kubernetes Clusters. Container Compute Service, ACS, Simplified Container Management. Container Registry, ACR, Secure Container Image Storage and Management. Service Mesh, ASM, Microservice Communication Management. Distributed Cloud Container Platform, ACK1. Kubernetes across cloud and edge environments. Storage Elastic Block Storage, EBS, High Performance Block Storage. Object Storage Service, OSS. Scalable Object Storage. File storage NAS, cloud-based file storage. Cloud parallel file storage, CPFS. High-performance storage for AI and big data. Table store, NoSQL. Flexible, NoSQL database. Simple log service, SLS. Log collection, storage, and analytics. Cloud backup, automated backup solutions. Data transport tools, secure large-scale data migration. Hybrid cloud storage, unified cloud and on-premises storage. Networking and CDN Virtual Private Cloud, VPC, private cloud networking. Server load balancer, SLB, traffic distribution across servers. Elastic IP, EIP, reassignable static IP addresses. NAT gateway, secure external network access. Cloud Enterprise Network, CEN, multi-network connectivity. Global Accelerator, GA, Global Network Acceleration. Express Connect, dedicated high-speed connectivity. VPN gateway, secure encrypted connections. Smart Access Gateway, SAG, branch office connectivity. Content Delivery Network, CDN, fast content delivery worldwide. Edge Security Acceleration, ESA. Edge Security Services, Private Link, Private Service Connectivity, DNS Private Zone, Private DNS Management, Cloud Data Transfer, CDT, Efficient Data Transfer Services, Security, Network Security, Anti-DDoS, Protection against Distributed Denial of Service Attacks, Web Application Firewall, WAF, Web Application Protection, Security Center, Unified Security Management and Monitoring, Cloud Firewall, Advanced Firewall Protection, SASE, Zero Trust Security, Modern Security Architecture, Data Security, Key Management Service, KMS, Encryption Key Management, Certificate Management, SSL/TLS Certificate Management, Cloud HSM, Hardware Security Modules, Data Security Center, Sensitive Data Discovery and Protection, Identity and Access Identity as a Service, IDaaS, Identity and Access Management, Resource Access Management, RAM, Fine-Grained Access Control, Business Security Tools ID Verification, User Identity Verification, CAPTCHA, Bot Protection, Content Moderation, Automated Content Filtering, Fraud Detection, Fraud Prevention and Detection, AI Guardrails, Security Controls for AI Applications, Advanced Security Managed Security Service, MSS, Security Managed by Experts, Penetration Testing, Vulnerability Assessment Services, Bastion Host, Secure Administrative Access Gateway. Databases Apsara DB for RDS, MySQL, PostgreSQL, SQL Server, MariaDB. Apsara DB for Polar, DB Apsara DB for Analytic, DB Apsara DB for Mongo, DB Apsara DB for Redis, Apsara DB for Memcache, Apsara DB for Cassandra, Apsara DB for Graph. Apsara DB for Time Series Database, TSDB, Table Store, ClickHouse AI, Analytics and Big Data Model Studio, AI Model Development and Deployment Platform, Qwen LLMs, Alibaba's Large Language Model Family, AI Agents/Tools, Intelligent Agent Development Tools, Max Compute, Large-Scale Data Processing Platform, DataWorks, Unified Data Integration and Workflow Platform, Quick BI, Business Intelligence Dashboards and Visualization, Machine Learning Platform, MLP, Complete ML Development Environment, PAI, Platform for AI, Enterprise AI Platform, Data Lake Formation, Unified Data Lake Solutions, Data Catalog, Data Asset Discovery and Management, Middleware and Messaging, Apsara, MQ for Kafka Apsara, MQ for Rocket, MQ Apsara, MQ for Rabbit, MQ Apsara, MQ for MQT, T Alibaba, Cloud Confluent, Confluent Cloud, Enterprise Distributed Application Service, EDAS, Microservices Engine, MSE, Application High Availability Service, AHAS, Message Queue for Apache Pulsar. Other interesting services IoT and Communications IoT, Platform Short Message Service SMS, Direct Mail Development Tools Code Pipeline CI/CD, Container Image Service SDK, and Toolkit API, Gateway, Logic Composer, enterprise and business solutions, Alibaba Cloud, enterprise apps, finance solutions, retail solutions, media and entertainment solutions, gaming solutions, marketplace, specialized services, Alibaba Cloud Workspace, virtual desktop, cloud phone service, mesh configuration management observability services, search and recommendation open search, Elasticsearch-based search engine, recommendation engine, AI-powered recommendation platform. Found this Alibaba Cloud Guide helpful? Like the video if you learned something new. Comment below, would you choose Alibaba Cloud, AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud? Subscribe for more cloud computing, AI, DevOps, and technology tutorials. Share this video with developers, IT professionals, and business owners exploring cloud solutions. Stay tuned for more deep dives into cloud platforms, AI services, and enterprise technologies.